everyone, welcome back to Baking Soda Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a baby potato roast. Before that, head down and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified every time we post a new recipe. Now let's get started with today's video. Some of the ingredients you'll need is 500 grams of baby potatoes, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder, and lastly 1 teaspoon of garam masala. In a pressure cooker, let's add our 500 grams of baby potatoes that we are going to cook. After that is added, next up, let's add water for it to boil and for us to cook it. Now let's cover and pressure cook this for 2 whistles. If you're not going to pressure cook it, you can also cook it in a pot filled with some water. Okay, it's about been 2 whistles. Now let's open it up and check it. Yep, the potatoes should be well cooked by now. Cut them up into small pieces. I've cut it into half here. And then let's start with our spice blend. In a pan, let's add 3 tablespoons of oil. You can add any type of oil you like. And then to that, we'll add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. And now we're just going to wait until it splutters. After it splutters, add 8 pieces of curry leaves. Next up, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. And then pretty much now we're going to add all our spices. 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of pepper. And then lastly, 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder. Mix it up. We're going to add all our spices in the oil. The oil should be super flavorful when we add our potatoes to it. Now let's add the boiled potatoes and give it a good toss. Stir it up nicely. And then toss it. Toss, toss, toss. After you're done tossing it well, let's add salt to taste. Season it as much as you like. Then give it a good mix again. Now this potato roast is super delicious. You can eat it with rice, anything you like. It's very tasty and really crispy. Everybody loves this potato roast, from young to old. I think everybody likes potato anyway. So give this a try. But the most important thing with this is the potatoes are pre-cooked, but you have to try to get them crispy. So lower your flame, don't put too much flame. Lower the flame and cook it slowly and roast it, and it will be super crispy and delicious. If you increase the flame too much, it might be burnt, so be careful with that. And just like that, our baby potato roast is done. It's super delicious. Enjoy it with your family. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.